The main structure is now largely complete and it's ready for installing of the equipment inside the building.
So our people aren't remote, they are part of this construction.
I think the biggest success factor between all of the suppliers has been complete transparency. So sharing documentations, dealing with problems and helping each other overcome the problems.
Construction is making very good progress. The ingredients kitchen itself, the building, is now largely complete. We're just completing the final phases, which are the roof and the exterior cladding. The equipment is delivered in a kit format and then it is assembled here on site within the building, working with the various contractors and suppliers who are involved in the project.
The deliveries are happening day by day. I know we have sort of 34 containers coming from Japan next week. That's followed by another 84 trucks of boxes. That process of delivery will continue over the next 9 months as we constantly fill this massive hall that we have. There won't be much left of the building when it's all finished.
Once the machinery has been dispatched from all of the suppliers, we store it on site. We've had in excess of 200 wagons of machinery and containers. We have to look after that and make sure it's kept safe, and we've done our very best to store them in an order where we can take them out in order for installation.
Items of equipment range from the very small to complete lines, elevator systems, very large pieces of equipment which would be impossible to deliver complete. You have to assemble it here on site from the component parts.
During the placement of the equipment, of course, we come into difficulties when the civils team aren't ready or we have problems and that can knock the project back. These are overcome. We have to be responsive with the labour. We have to be able to act fast and change our planning. During the project, we've had a lot of help from the suppliers. We've been provided with supervisors to supervise our men on the project. We've had help with organising the deliveries and delaying deliveries, bringing deliveries forward. That then enables us to stay on track so that we can carry on building with the project. I think the biggest success factor between all of the suppliers has been complete transparency. So sharing documentations, we've shared a lot of information, we've used a central point to share all the information that everybody has access to. And also when problems arise, everybody is made aware of it and they're dealt with then. So they aren't knocked on to the next person then who has less time to deal with it. They can be dealt with right from the very beginning.
When the ingredients kitchen's finished, we will start commissioning works. We have to carefully go each part of the process and confirm that it performs as it should do. We're really looking forward to going into live production. The ingredients kitchen will allow us to grow our production output quite considerably.
It's us going to the next level, really excited about getting there, yeah. Some real industry-breaking, shall we say, developments for us that really will put us on the map as pet food manufacturers, yeah.